When I think of Vietnam, I think of this. Hi guys, so I am on a tour today and I am sweating and there is no point even wearing makeup because my whole face is sweating, like every part of me. Like I am so overheating. It's like, I'd say about like 30 degrees heat. Well, maybe not that much, but it's like definitely 28 in humidity, and I have to put these on because it's really humid, and also like the heat just intense. It's really intense. This place is fabulous. We're learning about history and like how the capital was changed from to Ho Chi Minh like 1,000 years ago. Oh wow, it's noisy here. So that's what we're doing today.
Because actually 4,000 years ago, Vietnam's poor belonged to the Chinese domination. The king in Vietnam have to offer the kingdom in China gold, silver, or the buffalo. But actually in Hoa Nu, the place we are standing here, not the children were born here. We call him Linh Bo Linh. When the king he came here, he ordered to build the walls to collect the mountain, and he built the royal palace in this area, and given the name of the country Đại Cổ Việt, and given the name of the capital Hoa Nu.
You have to cover up because I'm wearing shorts and you have to cover up your lower half. You have to wear these skirts because you can't have your legs out, and I obviously have my legs out. I'm not going to do that. Now I have my lovely skirt on. So fetching. It's just so cool here. I just love it. Like Vietnam's definitely like the best decision I ever made to come here. I think I like it so much. Like I don't even know if we're going to go to Cambodia because it's just so amazing here and there's so much to see. And we met another like tourist group and they said they were in Cambodia and there's not that much to do there. That Thailand is that Vietnam is definitely much more exciting and there's much more going on here. So I think that's the plan, to stay here and then go to China. Oh, cool. Wow, I can't hold that steady. Oh, that looks wicked. That's cool. No, little friend. Okay, so we've just done the temples. They're all done, that's what you've seen there. They're like the king's temples and stuff. So now we're just gonna go, and I think we're getting bikes or we're going down the river. I have still no idea what we're doing. I'm waiting for my tour guide. So that's exciting. It was really interesting because a lot of the stuff inside the temples was all Chinese, and it was back from when like China kind of ruled Vietnam and stuff like that, and it was just really interesting to see like the history and find out a little bit about the culture and stuff like that, and I really enjoyed it. I didn't think I was actually going to do something like that here, but I love like history and finding out like the history behind things. I'd love to learn more about like kind of the Vietnam War and things like that here, but I don't know if we're going to get to do it on this trip because it's just time's limited, obviously. I wish I was here for longer, but I mean, I can always come back. It's 2 plane rides. It's not a big, massive endeavor. Like honestly, I thought it'd be worse, but it's actually not. My tour guide's like calling me, but it's actually not. It's actually much simpler to get here because you just fly to Dubai and then you fly obviously to Hanoi. I just really wasn't expecting to enjoy the flight as much as I did because I hate flying, and it was actually lovely. And I'm sorry if I'm a bit off today, guys. I'm actually a bit jet lagged. I think it's just kind of hit me today. This is my like kind of second proper day here, like my 3rd day actually in Vietnam, but I'm just kind of feeling like it's all hitting me. I'm tired and groggy and stuff, and I'm not sleeping well because I'm kind of waking up on Irish time, and then that's too early, so I have to go back to sleep for more, and then I can't get back. It's just, I'm all over the place, but I'm sure in a couple of days I'll be fine. Even tomorrow I'll probably be fine. I just need to get a good night's sleep, I think. I'm on a bike. I know, I haven't been on a bike in forever. I'll probably kill myself off it. But yeah, we're going cycling around the area, and I'm just like practicing the brakes. I have not been on a bike in so long. I was on a bike last year, I think, out in the forest, and that was it. But it's been probably about 10 years since I've actually properly been on it. And there's no helmets here either as well, so no health and safety. This is probably the most dangerous thing I've ever done. I am vlogging while cycling a bike, and I don't even care because I'm in Vietnam where there's no rules, because they don't have helmets, they don't have health and safety, nothing. So we're slowing down now. I am just having so much fun like out cycling a bike. I didn't actually think I'd love it as much as I am. I haven't been out in one in years. We're right beside these fields, the rice fields I think they are, and like right beside the limestone mountains. Like, is that not just unreal?
Okay.
Right, I'm going to stop the vlogging now because I'm going to pick up the pace and put this back into my bag. I'm actually just taking it really handy. It looks like I'm probably flying along, but I'm going nice and chilled. And I'm actually been left behind by my group. So I'm going to put this into my backpack. I think I might need to invest in a GoPro. Especially if I'm doing any more of these like trips. Because this is just not convenient cycling with one hand. And I'm being as safe as I possibly can, because I'm sure there's people in the comment section who are going to say to me, Ashley, you're crazy, but this is the best I can do, guys. I want you to see everything that's going on. Yeah, I think if I'm going to do any more of these like travel vlogs, a GoPro is going to be a necessary. So let me know what type of GoPro, like is there different types, and then I can like strap it on to my head or somewhere and like, sort it all out. Oh, there's a doggy. This is so cool. Oh, we need to put a light on. Oh my god. This is so fun. on the light. Oh, look at this. Oh, sorry. Where'd they go? Hi guys, so we're in NINH BINH in some kind of little forest thing. I don't know, it's really cool. We went on the little boats down the river and that was actually really nice. It was, I think we're about an hour on it, and your mom's like rowing it with his feet. It's like such a charm. So yeah, now we're like looking at some temples and stuff, and it's quite cool actually. A lot of it's like Chinese feel, but like the tour guide was saying that as well, like 'cause when China like owned Vietnam, that they had an awful lot of stuff. Obviously they built architecture and stuff here, so but it's such a fascinating country. Like I would really recommend it to anybody who wants to come here. I really like it. I love the bikes, cycling on it. My arms are killing me, my butt's killing me, my thighs are killing me. They're like, Ashton, you're using muscles you haven't used in years, so I'm a little bit sore. But here's pretty cool. I'll show you what I'm looking at. I can't turn this around. I'm after running the battery down on my camera, so that's why I'm using my phone if it looks a bit fun. Quite cool. I love all these like old things. Like this is so ancient, and I love like ancient rooms and ancient. Wow, these steps! Look at this! They're like a workout in itself. Look at the limestone rock, like how high it is. It's crazy. Oh my god, walking up these steps is like insane. Hey. Hi! Hi! Okay, we're up pretty high. I don't know if you can see that there. Look how high I'm up. Should really be taking lots of pictures, but I'm really bad with pictures. As you guys already know, I'm more into this like walking around, showing you guys.